Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Accounts Guru Cool. Learn accounting online. So today we are here with one more content, and in this we are going to discuss about how R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances. Knowing that the advanced tax, we have to do the payout before 15th March, and today we are on 8th March. So considering that this is going to be the last installment as per the due date, that we have to do the payout within the four installment, and now on or before 15th March we have to ensure the taxes to be paid. That's a 100% of the advance tax. Else certain interest and penalties is go applicable over there if it's a delay or not paid on time. But the important for us to have a more clarity towards this, how R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances. What's our role being R2R? How we are going to ensure that the tax compliances with accuracy, completeness, and on time. How we are going to uh, do the value additions to the business from R2R. That's important for us to know. And when we know what's our roles and responsibility and how we are going to contribute to uh, ensure that the taxes what we are paying that's more accurate, and how that's going to be add the benefit to the organization. So that's important. So considering that we are here, so request all the viewers to be a part of our membership to get some exclusive benefits from there. Members only content 80 plus we have already been added. It's continuously we are uploading more content towards that. You are able to get a scope to ask us to create the content as per your requirement. You are able to get a scope to speak with us if you have any query. If you want to discuss something with us, we are here. So we'll jump towards that to know more about how R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances. In addition to that, if you guys are looking for any sort of training related to accounting and finance, either that's going to be the R2R, P2P, O2C, or FP&A, or any software related training, then you can connect with us on our email ID accounts.gurukul@yahoo.com. So now, how R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances? Before going to discuss how we play a crucial role, what's required to pay the advance tax, how we are going to do the calculations of that. So what we have to do is that we have to estimate the profit for this financial year. Assuming that we are on 8th of March, we have to pay the advance tax on or before 15th March for this financial year. Then what we have to do is that we have to estimate the profit. We have to do the calculation of the forecasted income, how much is going to be, how much is still now, what open orders we have, how much invoices we are going to raise, and based on that, how much will be our revenue for this financial year. Considering that, what are all the expenses based on the estimations we have to work out, and then we need to see how much is going to be the net profit by end of this financial year. On that profit, how much is taxes already, how much is tax is going to be calculate. From that, how much already we paid. In addition to that, if any tax has already been deducted and deposited on our name, then we have to refer from the 26 AS, and then we need to see how much is still we have to pay to the government. So when we are doing the calculations, we have to keep it in mind is that if either in the books of account we accrued the interest or not, or if any interest also over there and that's also is going to be, then how much is the component related to the interest going to add into your income. And at the end of the day, we have to see how much is going to be our total income plus how much we already paid the taxes and how much is going to be the deducted, and what's the net liability we have to pay. So now what you have to keep it in mind is that in this entire process, the one number is important for us. That's the expected profit for this financial year. So to know that, we have to first ensure our estimated P&L is correct. We have considered all the expenses, income, and then we have to see what's the net profit is going to be. So from ensuring all these things, R2R is important to have the accuracy in all the numbers, have the ownership of all the numbers. So from that standpoint, to taking the ownership of the numbers, ensuring the completeness with accuracy, that's the responsibility belongs to R2R. And that's the reason we are responsible to ensure the tax compliances. And each and every step we are answerable. So that's the reason R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances. R2R plays a crucial role in ensuring tax compliance by providing a structured and accurate financial reporting process that helps businesses meet their tax obligations. Here's how R2R contribute the tax compliances. The first, accurate financial reporting. R2R ensures that all financial transactions are recorded accurately, which is critical for preparing precise tax returns. Accurate financial statements helps avoid errors and discrepancies that could lead to tax penalties. Might be, give me example here is that if you have the if you haven't considered the unbilled revenue and what's there the actual revenue, based on that you consider the profit how much is going to be, and by end of the year when the unbilled revenue is going to come into the pictures, then it may the straightway that unbilled revenue is going to hit to your taxes. That's straightway going to impact to your P&L, and your income is going to increase to that extent, and similarly that's going to impact on your profit. Since the cost you already considered, but might be the services delivered and you haven't considered the income for that, or if you have certain accrued expenses and you haven't done the reversal for that, in spite of that expenses booked in the P&L, then that's also going to create an impact. So in all accounting and finance, this R2R is very crucial role towards providing numbers to the business from the tax compliances from all. So that's our responsibility to ensure accurate financial reporting. And if we have the confidence on the number, all your report is ultimately going to achieve with more accuracy. So considering that, this is the first step, accurate financial reporting. Next is towards timely data processing. This is also one of the important things. R2R process financial data in timely manner, ensuring that all records are up to date. These timelines is important for meeting tax deadlines, ensuring taxes are filed on time, and avoiding late fees or legal issues. If you have the time bound performance, if we freeze our P&L on time, then if we freeze our financials on time, then all the compliances ensure to file on the time with accuracy. Knowing that 15th is going to be the due date for pay the advance tax, and if we haven't received the data with more accuracy on the till 14th, then how we are going to do the calculation of the tax? So timely data processing also is important one from R2R. Regulatory compliance. The R2R process ensures that the financial reporting adheres to relevant accounting standards like IFRS or GAAP and regulatory requirement. This compliance extends to tax law and ensures that tax filings are in line with the law, preventing tax disputes. That's the regulatory compliances. since we are ensuring that our financials prepared by following all the accounting standards. Next is towards audit trail and transparency. By maintaining an audit trail of all financial transactions, R2R provides transparency. This is essential in case of tax audits, as it helps tax authorities verify the accuracy and completeness of financial statements. So audit trail and transparencies. So for each and every transactions, we have the audit trail, we have the justifications, we have the backup, we have the transparency. Then if any tax assessment is going on, if any audit is going on, then we are able to provide all the details with trail and transparency. So that's going to easy for us to get the audit done on time, plus answer to the authorities. Tax provisioning. R2R facilitates the proper calculations and accrual of tax provisions. Accurate tax provisions are essential to ensure that taxes are correctly accounted for, reducing the risk of under-reporting or over-reporting tax liabilities. So, tax provisioning. R2R do the proper calculations and accrual of tax provisions. When we have all the accruals in place, either it's accrued income, accrued expenses, any deferred expenses, deferred income, prepaid. So we are doing the calculations for all these things from the tax provisioning. And we are helping to reducing the risk of under-reporting or over-reporting tax liabilities. So that's the way R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances. Risk mitigation. By automating the reporting process and providing standardized controls, R2R reduce the risk of human error, fraud, or oversight that can lead to tax compliance failures. So risk mitigations, that's also our responsibility. Since we are putting the standardized controls, we are ensuring as much as automation is there to reduce the risk of human error, fraud, or oversight that's going to be the cause of tax compliance failures. Integrations with other processes. R2R integrates with other financial processes like procure to pay, order to cash, ensuring that all revenue and expenses are captured correctly for tax reporting purpose. This integration ensures that no critical tax information is overlooked. So integrations with other processes, SLGL, all the data is going to flow from SL to GL. That integration is over there. So we have to ensure that SLGL reconciliation is in the place. And the last, supporting documentations. R2R ensures the creation and maintenance of supporting documentations such as invoices and receipts, which are essential for substantiating tax returns during audits or reviews by tax authorities. So as and when any tax authorities doing the review, assessment, and audit, supporting with the documentations. As and when any document is required, we are there to provide for that. So that's the way R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances. By aligning the entire financial reporting process with tax compliance requirements, R2R helps organization avoid costly tax issues, streamline tax reporting, and reduce the overall risk of non-compliance. That's the way R2R play a crucial role to ensure the tax compliances. So considering this is the advanced tax fourth installments is due on 15th March. So try to understand how we are crucial from the R2R to ensure the tax compliances and do the focus towards the more accuracy with completeness of all the transactions. So that's all from this. So thanks guys for being with us. Request all the members to like, share, and ask us to create a content as per your requirement. Thanks again for being with us, and we'll try to come up with the more content that's going to give the visibility, and practical exposure towards accounting and finance. Thank you.